Dear friends, I am teaching you the class 11th mathematics. This is very useful for the children which are preparing for the IIT JEE. I have already taken the one lecture in which we have started the trigonometry functions. I am trying to explain you the tough concept in very easy way. In case of any difficulty, you can contact me at 94602 91410, and this is my website www.studymaterialexams.com. We start the trigonometry functions of class 11th mathematics. We have already studied about the angles. There are two methods for the measurement of angle. One is radian and other is degree. Friends, I have already explained you the relationship between them. 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. In this way, we may determine the value of 1 radian. 1 radian equal to 360 divided by 2 pi, and it is approximately equal to 57.16 degree. So 1 radian equal to 57.16 degree. Now we will try to solve one question. Question is convert 60 degree 30 minutes into radian. First, what we have to do, we have to convert this minute into degree. We know that 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. So 30 minutes equal to 1 upon 60 into 30 means 1 by 2 degree. So 60 degree 30 minutes equal to 60 plus half degree equal to 121 by 2 degree. Now we know that 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. Here we will write radian. 121 degree by 2 equal to 2 pi divided by 360 into 121 by 2. When we solve it, it will come 121 pi divided by 360 radian. In this way, we can easily convert degree into radian. So we will move to the next questions. I am again telling you, if in case of any difficulty, you can contact me at 94602 91410, and this is my website www.studymaterialexams.com. Now we will move into the next questions. Here there is easy question, how we convert 5 pi 3 radian into degree. Friends, we know 2 pi radian. First we will know that 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. I have write 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. Here we have 5 pi by 3 radian. So I will write 5 pi by 3 radians equal to 360 degree divided by 2 pi multiply by 5 pi by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 60 into 5, 300. So we have convert 5 pi by 3 radian into degree. So it is very easy. In this way we can convert radian into degree and degree into radian. Now I take one more questions. Here in the question it is given that radius of circle is 30 centimeters, means r radius equal to 30 centimeter. Find the angle made by the arc of length 60 centimeter in degree. Suppose there is an arc, this is an arc whose length is 60 centimeter. We have to determine this value of theta. Friends, we know that theta equal to L by R, but this result come in the radian. Always remember theta equal to L by R and it will come in the radian. L is 60 divided by 30 equal to 2. What is 2? 2 radian. But we have to find the answer in the degree. Again we can easily convert 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. 2 radian, only 2 radian equal to 360 divided by 2 pi into 2 equal to 360 by pi. degree. So in this way we can easily solve. There is one more method in which you can solve. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So we may write 2 pi r equal to 360 degree, and it is the length of the arc equal to 60 degree, equal to 60 centimeter. When 2 pi r length, it will make the angle of 360. When length is 60, then it will make the angle 360 divided by 2 pi r into 60. So in this, it is the second method by which we can put the value of r equal to 30, and again we will solve. It will become 360 upon pi. In this way we can solve these questions. It is a very easy, and this type of a question I can expect that you will understand in a very easy way. If you find any difficulty, kindly contact me at 946029141. Write me at my websites. My mail ID is gorilal74@gmail.com. Thank you.